Hey guys, it's autumn like the season. Thanks. Today, I should be louder, hopefully. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing a package I got from Avon. I was sitting at home one day in this quarantine, and I was so bored. What was I gonna say? Oh, okay, yes. I was sitting at home one day, and you know, they was just telling us, you know, school's out, quarantine, coronavirus, all that mess. So I was like, so I gotta stay at home all day? Broke at that? That's ghetto. That's ghetto. We don't do that. Absolutely not. So I was looking online for different ways to make money at home and all that, and I came across the Avon website, and it was saying that I could open my own online store. And I was like, oh, pretty good. All right. I have some products that I bought from their site, and if you want a little discount, you feel me, then you can click on my link down there in the description, you feel me, to get yourself a little money off. Let's see what we got here, guys. Let's see what we got.
That is so ghetto.
Gosh, why can't I just rip the tape off?
Professional, sorry.
What was the difference of me just ripping off them? Okay. Thank you to my assistant, Adriana. We really do appreciate her. Alrighty? There's bubble wrap in here! I call dibs on that bubble wrap.
What a rip off! It doesn't even pop.
What? Okay, so first thing we got is some anti-pollution charcoal mask stick. This right here. Yes. Mask stick. I'm gonna do a different video review for each of these products, by the way. Avon Advanced Techniques 360 Nourish Leave-In Treatment with argan oil. So, got Avon Anew Vitamin C Warming Peel. Right here. What is this? I don't remember ordering anything else. Alright. We love free shit. Oh my gosh! Oh, they gave me a deodorant. This green. I got Velment's Natural Spa Body Scrub and Cleanser. Y'all can, is it, okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but all these will be in the description anyway. But, like that. I also got Believe in Truth, the True Cream. Light gel cream for the face. Okay, this is what it is. It's kind of like this thing. Okay. Oh wow. They gave me they gave me another one.
There's samples.
They gave me, yeah, okay, they gave me samples. They gave me a primer. Oh, they gave me 2 primers actually. Or 4, I think. Oh no, there's mad enough in here. Hold up, wait a minute. Well, I don't wear makeup, so I don't know, but okay. What else is in here? Himalaya pink salt toothpaste. I didn't even know there was pink salt. I didn't know salt can be a different color other than white. Not to be racist. Himalaya. And I also got whitening essentials, blank charcoal. I'm guessing this is toothpaste. Yep, it is toothpaste. Yeah, I got that shit now. Hold on, wait a minute. Don't touch nothing. So, welcome to the Avon family. By signing up to become an Avon representative, you have taken the first step to make life beautiful. Like you, thank you. I'm also relatively new to the Avon family, having only recently come aboard. I am sure you will be dazzled as I was by the wide array of beautiful products, including recently added collections from the leading beauty and personal care companies in Korea, LG and H. Whether you're looking for world-class products for your own use to share with friends and family, or if you're looking to build a business, you've made a great decision to join Avon. To show our appreciation, we've included a wonderful selection of new product samples for you to try and share. Have a beautiful Avon day. That was nice. Thank you. They gave me pamphlets, you feel me? Okay, whoever packed this did a bad job. But, they gave me pamphlets, you feel me?
Oh, it's like stuff.
Okay.
That you can put on your actual.
Hold up, wait a minute. They gave me a whole wow. They gave me bad pamphlets. Bad pamphlets. So now the bubble wrap won't work for you. God dang. I mean, I could give them out. You feel me? Check people to the store. Oh, you're right. You know what I could do? I could go around to people's houses real quick and just shove them under everybody's door. That's what I do. Get the word out type shit. A little magazine on the... This is one of the products that I got. Oh, they gave me a single white. Yes, this is well needed.
It's not in English though.
Yes, it's not in English, but hey.
I know how to read that.
Oh, well. Special gift from us. To help keep you and your family well, here's one special wellness gift from us. Let's keep our health and spirits up. Please note, if you receive a face mask, it is for dust protection only and not for disease prevention. Additionally, if you receive the hand gel or wipes, those items are for cleansing only and not for sanitizing. Take care. Oh, this was mad nice. Damn. Well, damn, that was mad shit.
I didn't think it would be that much.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be that much either. My stuff from Avon. So, basically what I'm going to do, I have 3 products that I bought. I got the face peel, warming peel, not face, warming peel. I got the anti-pollution charcoal mask stick, and I also got the Advanced Techniques 360 Nourish Leave-In Treatment argan oil. And a whole bunch of free shit. Okay. So I am going to do 3 separate videos for all 3 of these products, and I'm going to do a review for you guys so that you guys can see how I like the products, because I don't know, Avon has been like a brand I've seen all my life. Like my mom always buys mad Avon products, and I personally trust their products. I'm excited to use them and see how they work on my skin, because my skin is mad sensitive, very sensitive. I'm darkening. I'm black. I don't know what is that's not. I'm black. But that was my unboxing of my Avon products. If you're trying to get a little discount, you feel me? Click my link down there. You feel me? It's avon.com/SznLuv or SznLuv or something like that. some with my name on it, you feel me? Just click it, go on my online store. I'm gonna be doing product reviews all the time for their products, you feel me? So you can check in with me before you buy a product, you feel me? I'm gonna test them out for y'all, you feel me? On that note, thank you guys so much for watching. You know, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then yeah, I didn't like that video. If you didn't,
Die. No, if you didn't,
I don't subscribe. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, like good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.
What the hell is on your head?